By understanding the local job market, look for laborer jobs in your area, identifying roles that are in high demand. Construction laborer demand, high in building and construction sectors for tasks such as site preparation, cleanup, loading and unloading of materials, and assisting skilled tradespeople. Skills needed: physical strength, stamina, and a basic understanding of construction safety. General laborer demand, high across various industries, including manufacturing, logistics, and warehousing for general duties like cleaning, moving materials, and basic machine operation. Skills needed: versatility, reliability, and physical fitness. Warehouse laborer demand, high in distribution centers and warehouses for inventory management, packing, picking, and shipping products. Skills needed: organizational skills, attention to detail, and the ability to follow safety standards. Landscape laborer demand, high in landscaping companies and municipal parks departments for tasks such as planting, mulching, watering, and maintaining outdoor spaces. Skills needed: knowledge of plant care, physical stamina, and a willingness to work outdoors. Demolition laborer demand, high in demolition and waste management industries for tearing down buildings, removing debris, and preparing sites for new construction. Skills needed: strength, adherence to safety protocols, and the ability to use tools and machinery. Road construction laborer demand, high in road building and maintenance for tasks like setting up traffic barriers, paving, and applying road markings. Skills needed: awareness of safety regulations, good physical condition, and the ability to work in a team. Factory laborer demand, high in manufacturing sectors for roles in production lines, assembly, and quality control. Skills needed: precision, efficiency, and the ability to quickly